And now, our weekly message from the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis.
Hi, I'm Emma Harms from Sterling, Nebraska. I'm a veterinary technology major at the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis, Nebraska. If you are currently a student exploring your options or someone who is looking to enhance your career and technical education has something for everyone. Whether you're interested in ag education, diversified ag mechanics, veterinary technology, or any other agriculture field, there's a path for you at NCTA. This month is a celebration of the individuals who are shaping their destinies through skills that make a difference. For me personally, Mrs. Taylor Hamill at Sterling High was a big influence and mentor to me. She helped me grow my love for both agriculture and veterinary science. The knowledge I gained from Mrs. Hamill led me down the path to explore being a veterinary technician. As a vet tech major at NCTA, I have been working hands-on with cattle, llamas, dogs, exotic birds, and much more to get the skills I need to finish my associate's degree. These skills are preparing me to work with many animals, either for a veterinarian or other animal facilities. If you have been thinking about a career in veterinary technology or in agriculture, I encourage you to visit NCTA and find out all we have to offer to students just like you. CTE is at the center of that. Visit us at ncta.unl.edu to tour the campus or learn more. And thank you again, Mrs. Hamill at Sterling High School, for your dedication that led me down my CTE path. NCTA, a small campus with a big impact.